Over the past couple years, I've been asked more times than I can count 2 different questions. The first one was always, what are you doing to be able to afford the lifestyle, the cars, the vacations, and everything? And the second one, often a follow-up to the answer of my first question, was, can you teach me how to do that too? And my answer had always been a subtle no. I had never been too interested in sharing exactly what I was doing. And frankly, I didn't know exactly how to sit down with someone and convey everything that I had learned and built over the last 8 years. The inquiries just kept coming, and it left me overwhelmed with the question of how to help. Over the last 6 months, I deeply analyzed everything I do on a daily basis and started to break it down step by step and put all the pieces together in the most straightforward way that I could think of. This has led us to today, where I can officially announce the launch of Kapatalyze Trading Academy. I created over 10 plus hours of video lessons covering everything from stock market basics, fundamentals, day trading, short selling, options, how I manage risk, my trading psychology, and all the way to creating a personalized trading plan just for you. I even included a live trading recordings library where I show myself trading live in the markets. This is a huge undertaking for me, and once I finally committed to the idea, it all came together quite quickly. The stock market, and in particular day trading, has absolutely changed my life beyond what I had even dreamed possible. And I listened and I heard what a lot of you were telling me when you were asking me to teach you. Almost every single person who reached out to me said the exact same thing. They wanted more time with their family, and more freedom to just live their life. Kapatalyze is far more than just a course with a bunch of videos. I created a private trading community to go along with it, where I'll be giving trading updates, alerts, and further developing traders after they complete all of the lessons, as well as weekly coaching calls where I answer questions and break down charts and overall market conditions for the upcoming week. I understand more than anyone that buying into stock market trading or education is not necessary, because there's a lot of different resources out there that you can use to learn over time. But if you're one of those people that wants to learn in an environment where all the information is in one place and you have a coach or a mentor to help you along the way, then Kapatalyze might just be perfect for you. So I'm here sharing this first with all of you, and to celebrate the launch, I've decided to offer a limited time offer for a 1-year access to the Academy for $365, which is equivalent to $1 per day. And that limited time offer is available with using the promo code at checkout, $1 per day. And if you're not quite ready to join the Academy, I've created a free trading community where you can get a closer look at everything before you take the next step. Feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'm here to help, and very excited that I was able to finally announce the launch of Kapatalyze.